Step into the 2019 Ram 1500. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. It distinguishes itself from the competition with features such as one-touch window functionality, variably intermittent wipers, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, automatic dimming door mirrors, remote keyless entry, adjustable pedals, and air conditioning. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.